Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a domain and hosting type. You want a short, memorable domain. Once found, lock it at a registrar. Next, pick hosting, shared for low cost, VPS, or managed for performance. Make sure to have a credit card or PayPal ready, enable two-factor authentication, and use an administrative email you control. These first actions save time later. Without them, you'll stall when the registrar prompts for verification and DNS details. Now register the domain, and by hosting, you'll enter contact info and choose privacy options. Once done, create the hosting account, select server location and required tech stack, PHP, databases, and enable automated backups. Then configure DNS records, point the domains a record to your host IP, add a CNAME for www, and configure MX for email. Make sure to save TTL and understand propagation delays. If you follow these steps, your domain will resolve to your new site. Finally, secure and launch the site. Install SSL, use Let's Encrypt or the host certificate, and force HTTPS. Upload your files or use one-click installers, then test pages, forms, and email. Verify across browsers and mobile. Once live, set up automatic renewals for domain and SSL. If something breaks, clear local DNS cache and browser cache first, then verify name server settings at the registrar. If unresolved, contact hosting support with account and error details for a quicker fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.